Welcome to ZipTied. Today, we're putting this puppy in this Doge. The Dodge is an automatic. So, we're putting a manual transmission in it. We're getting a manual trans out of like a Dodge Dakota. It's like a later model one. It bolts straight up to the 318 we already got. Same flywheel, same clutch, same everything. All you gotta do is make a custom drag line, connect to that really bad explosive rear end. The reason we're doing all this is because the auto was crap. It didn't have like the cake down linkage or anything, so it just kind of like not work. It slipped every single gear, barely went into any of them, and would kill it the second you put it in drive. So we're gonna put a manual in it, obviously. And we're gonna go to pick and pull now to get one. Except for we're not, because it's dark. This is the day we're editing, and we had to go back and film this. So, to pick and pull we go. So we're getting a bit stuck here. We found that the line, the cooling line for the tranny is now stuck in the grill. So I'm just gonna break it in half. So, now that we've gently taken apart our automatic transmission from our great quality engine, we now get to start the whole process of putting the clutch, the flywheel all together on this thing, and then the tranny, and we'll be good. Okay, so right now, after we've got the whole transmission in, we're taking off all this automatic gunk business, and we're cutting some holes to allow the transmission to come up and have a shifty. Alright, so a little explanation as to what's going on here. So underneath this, there's a crossmember that the transmission cannot clear up to, so it needs to come a bit higher. So I cut out that whole part of the cross member, welded on a little tab on the end, and then welded up more cross member here. And I patched all the holes that I made with metal. And in a couple seconds, bang, clean. All cleaned and poofed. And it's now like twice as nice in here as long as you don't go over to that corner. Or that one. Or that one. But this is better.
Alright, so although the 5-speed bolted right up to the 318, we still need to make a custom transmission mount so that it fits up snug in our 68 Dart. So Elliot made this really pretty, ugly transmission mount for us. Ran out of weld halfway through, but we're going to make it nice and clean and obviously use some good old Ace Hardware dollar spray paint on it to make it nice and pretty. And then next episode, we'll be looking at our drive shaft we're probably going to get from Northwest Drivelines. We'll be making the engine run again. Third time? Fourth time?
Man,
it's up
a lot of times.
Yeah, it'll run again though. And then we're going to try to take it through a car wash. Big plans. Big fun. Next episode. ZipTied.